private residence located in the hilly outskirts of Linz, Austria, stands as a testament to thoughtful design, seamlessly blending modernity with the rich historical context of its surroundings. Preservation was a key ethos in the design process, with the architect choosing to retain several stone walls, a historic cellar structure, and statuesque trees on the new premises. These elements were integrated into the design, creating a sense of continuity with the past. The house's deconstructed volume, comprising 3 main sections, responds harmoniously to the gentle slope of the landscape. The first section, oriented vertically, houses guest quarters and a garage, with an exterior canopied staircase leading down into the courtyard. This intermediate space blurs the boundaries between interior and exterior, connecting the backyard with the lavish garden in the front. The second volume contains private living and workspaces, with an accessible rooftop offering expansive views. A wooden terrace extends towards the third section, featuring a cantilevered pool. To maintain a minimalistic design while providing shade, the perforated steel facade of the residence can detach and fold down over the outdoor areas. This innovative approach enhances both form and function, ensuring comfort while preserving aesthetic integrity. The architecture is deeply rooted in the concept of design evolution, with the historic cellar serving as the foundation for the main house. Sustainable preservation techniques were employed to maintain the authenticity of the structure, fostering a strong connection between the past and present. Inside, the interior design follows the tradition of a modernist exhibition pavilion, with high ceilings, skylights, and floor-to-ceiling windows, maximizing natural light and offering panoramic views. A circular picture rail showcases the client's art collection, creating a dynamic space for interior interventions.